What is hot? The coffee is hot. What does she drink? She drinks water. What does she drink? She drinks tea. What does the cat drink? The cat drinks milk. What does he make? He makes a juice. What does he make? He makes a spritzer. What does he pour? He pours the lemonade. What is cold? The iced tea is cold. What does he stir? He stirs the hot chocolate. What does she make? She makes a smoothie. What does he pour? He pours the wine. What does he tap? He taps a beer. What does he make? He makes a cocktail. What does she drink? She drinks coconut water. What does he drink? He drinks a sports drink. What does he open? He opens a bottle of Coke. What does she stir? She stirs the herbal tea. What is that? That is mineral water. What does he serve? He serves the punch. What does he pour? He pours the mulled wine. What does he pour? He pours the sangria. What does he make? He makes a mojito. What does he open? He opens the energy drink. What do they toast with? They toast with whiskey. What does he drink? He drinks vodka. What is that? That's rum with ice. What does he open? He opens the champagne bottle. What is that? That is gin tonic. What does he drink? He drinks iced coffee. What does he make? He makes a protein shake.